everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a new kind of video. I never done one of these, but I just received today my Look Fantastic subscription box, and I thought I'll open it on camera and see what we've got this month. I will leave all the details about the subscription box on the description box down below. So I didn't open it. I just took it out from the cardboard box that comes into it, but this is the box. It's a really lovely box this month. I think last month was a pink one, and this is how it looks this month. So let's open it and see what we have inside. So it does come with a little leaflet that tells you what you have inside, and every box comes with an L magazine, so you can have a little read from this one, which is lovely. Usually this magazine it's around €4.50 I think, or something around that price. So yeah, so it comes in paper with a sticker. Let's open it up and see. Something smells really good in the box, and see what we've got in here. So here's an overview, and let's dive in. So the first product that caught my eye is these rituals, the Ritual of Sakura smoothing hand balm. It's with cherry blossom and rice milk, and I do believe this is a full size. It's a 70 ml size. Oh my god, it smells so good. I need to test it. Oh, it smells incredible. It's a really thick cream, so if you don't like these kinds of creams, you won't like this one, but hopefully it will be a quick absorbing one. So let's see in the Beauty Edit what says in here. What it says about this is that relieve dry and tired hands with this rich and luxurious shooting hand balm. Harnessing the powers of shea butter and organic rice milk, this balm replenishes and rejuvenates hands with a subtle fragrance that relaxes the senses. So I am not sure if it's a full size or how much it costs, but yeah, this is the first item. So next we have this product. It's a cleansing foam. I can't pronounce the name of the brand, and it says in here, let's see, remove makeup and impurities without stripping the skin with this gentle foamy cleanser devoid of harmful sulfates, containing white lupin to energize the skin and detoxifying copper gluconate. Skin will be left fresh and clear. How to use: lightly moisten face and apply a pearl size amount. Massage into damp skin with a circular motion to stimulate circulation and blood flow. So I suppose it's a cleanser. It does have a seal on it, so I won't open it till I'm ready to use it, but yeah, not bad. And it does come in 30 ml, so you do have a few tries in here. Next we have a EOS Visibly Soft Lip Balm. It's this one in here. I have the purple stripy one. Believe it or not, I've never used one of these lip balms. I don't know why. trying to open it. So, oh, it smells so good. This is the lip balm. It is a full size. So the EOS lip balm achieve perfectly soft lips with this handy lip balm enriched with moisturizing shea butter and conditioning oils to give you softer and nourished lips. Certified 100% organic and natural, this hypoallergenic lip balm is an essential for the cooler months. So yeah, and it says in here product may vary, so probably someone else got a different one. I got the purple one. Next we have a makeup item, and it's a highlighter from Morphe. This one in here. My one, it's in the shade Spark, and it's a champagne rosy gold color. I will swatch it for you. So it's right in here, as you can see it. And let's see what it says in here. So, achieve luminous skin with this prismatic highlighter with an innovative formula. The weightless highlighter delivers high shine. In a perfect golden hue, this highlighter is an essential for making the complexion appear radiant and glowy. So, yeah, not bad. So we have 2 products left, and the next one is a Madara Organic Skincare Smart Anti-Pollution Charcoal and Mud Repair Mask. So it's this one in here, and it comes in 12.5 mils. So you would have probably like 1 or 2 uses out of this one. And it says in here, purify and decongest the complexion with this detoxifying treatment mask infused with antioxidants, vitamins and essential minerals, harnessing the power of charcoal and black northern mud. This face mask draws out dirt, impurities and pollution built up, leaving the complexion radiant and revitalized. How to use: apply to clean skin, leave for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. So yeah, let me know if you want a review on any of these products, and I will do that for you. Oh, the last but not least, it's an ordinary product. It's this one in here, and it's a hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. I have used other products from this brand and they are really good. So it comes in a pipette bottle like this, and let's see what it says in here. So, treat your complexion to a moisture boost with this intensely hydrating serum, packed full of hyaluronic acid to deliver long-lasting moisture. This serum acts as a hydration support formula to leave skin smooth, plump and youthful looking. Apply a few drops to the face in the morning and evening before moisturizing. Editor's tip: store this in the fridge for a refreshing boost upon application. And I do think this is a full size, which comes in 30 mils. So yeah, not bad, happy with this. So I do think it was a pretty good box this month. Like, I think we have like 2, 3, 4 full-size products, which is not bad. It's this 4 in here, the full-size ones, and you do get 2 deluxe minis maybe in these 2. So yeah, it was a pretty good box. Let me know if you want to see a review on any of these products, and as well let me know if you want me to do this kind of videos every month. I'm only getting the Look Fantastic subscription box and the Birch box, but if you know any other subscription boxes that come to Ireland, please let me know in the comments down below and I'll try to get a hold of them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!